a feeling.
Tonight, on popular demand, each contestant will be repeating their most outstanding performances so far.
That's right, and you know what that means, so fasten your belts and enjoy this musical ride. That will begin with Christian, who'll be singing Payphone by Maroon 5. Let's hear it for Christian.
Woo!
Stop it, this is for you.
All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after the excess, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be saying. I'm out of payphone. You turned out the light, now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of payphone. I will still be holding you like this. One more stupid love song I'll be saying. One more stupid love song I'll be saying. I'm out of payphone. I'm out of payphone.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. So, judges, what did you think?
A lot of people don't appreciate, how difficult it is to start a show, and to create the pace and set the tone for the show. I loved your energy. I wish in the chorus, you would have gone a bit lighter just to create some variety in the song so that we see some tone variation. But I think you captured the essence of the song. I could see the pain in your eyes, and your body language was great. Well done.
A round of applause for him.